Okay, so if you want to know where you can get your real credit scores, a couple things we need to clear up. First off, the credit bureaus do not have the credit scores. The credit scores were created by a company called the Fair Isaac Company. You may have heard of this, otherwise known as a FICO score. FICO has 90% of the market share when it comes to credit scores. So what that means is if you're going in for any kind of a transaction, specifically a house, they're going to be using a version of the FICO score, specifically the mortgage version, also known as FICO 5, 4, and 2. If you're going to purchase a car, they're going to be using a version of the FICO auto score, either 9, 8, or 2. Now, what you need to know is any credit score that you're getting for free, they will never give you an auto loan version credit score for free. So what should you do? If you're somebody who wants to buy a house or is planning on buying a car, then you should sign up at MyFICO so you can see where your score is. Too often people don't know that they can do this and they end up going to a dealer. And if you would have taken 2 or 3 small steps before you went to the dealer, you could have saved yourself thousands in interest. Alternatively, with mortgages, so many people would go into a house on a Sunday, fall in love with it. They're looking at their phone and they think their Credit Karma score is their real credit score, only to find out that their 730 was actually a 650. And there's a huge change in terms of what you qualify for if your score is a 650. The crazy thing is with that 650, if you just knew a little bit more about credit, you would very easily be able to turn that into an over 700. There's a link below that you can use to fill out a form, and I'll send you all of this information because you need to arm yourself. I've spent 15 years in the credit space. I've had thousands of conversations with people, and I see the common patterns that emerge where people don't know where they can get their real score, they don't know why they can't trust the fake score, and they don't know how credit card balances are reported. I give you all of that for free. If you need help with credit, then I'm here for that. But for now, I want you to have this information because it's going to make your life a whole lot easier, and it really is going to save you a ton of money. Click the link and I'll see you on the other side.